Shout out to Blake, owner of Studio B Salon, keeping people looking pretty. Unfortunately, not enough product in this world to make me look that good. He came in, brought an Atlas. It was trashed. It really was. I can make vehicles look better than brand new, that's for sure. Got it corrected, got the coating on there. Oh, what coating? I'm not gonna just say ceramic coating. No, I'm gonna tell you what I'm putting on there. The top tier Ceramic Pro. Know what you're getting, guys. Make sure you're getting something real and not getting WD-40 buffed on your car or some quick jolly time one-day installation. Be careful what you get, people. Got that on there. Blake's happy. Who's next?